Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. I just got my seed potatoes in the mail from Gurney's and I thought I would show you what I'm going to do with them. Okay, these are 2 pounds of Kennebec seed potatoes that are ordered from Gurney's. Here's the planting guide that came with them. So first thing I'm going to do is cut them open. Okay. I'm looking to see if any of these have any chits on them, and as of right now they do not. So, and also like here on this one we have some chits or eyes, but they haven't started growing or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is cut this one in half. This potato looks good enough to seed by itself. This one also by itself, no need to cut. This one we're going to cut in half as well. This one I'm not going to cut. This one not going to cut, neither that one, neither that one. This one has several eyes on it all over, so I'm going to cut it in half as well. We're going to cut this one in half also. We're going to cut this one. And this one. Okay, you can see here, I've got my seed potatoes cut, and I'm going to let them scab over, and I'm going to also see if I can get chits to grow before I plant them. Last year I planted potatoes. It was my first time doing so, and not really knowing exactly what I was doing, I planted them in a gray container. This gray container here that is currently empty. And initially I had, if I remember right, 2 or 3 different types, and they came up. I had nice green stalks and flowers, and not flowers but leaves and everything else. And I planted bell peppers or something else in the container with them, and they died. And later on I found out that what I planted was not compatible with the potatoes, so they died. So this year I'm going to try something different. I'm going to see if I can grow them in a green stalk. And when these are ready, we'll do that. Okay, I set the potatoes here. It's in a relatively cool place and not in direct sunlight. I'm going to leave these here for a week maybe, or until they scab over. And also I get some chits. And then when that process has happened, I'm going to go ahead and plant them in the planter, and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So thank you for coming along on this real quick video. I'm showing you my future plans for growing potatoes. Hopefully this planting season I will be more successful than last year. But even last year was a learning experience, and you take the good with the bad. I always try to show on my in my videos the good, the bad, and the oh my God. Try to keep it real. So until next time, remember, spring is right around the corner. So if you haven't gotten your supplies yet, or if you're interested with anything that I use, head on over to my Amazon store. Also, you can go to my website. Both are listed in the comment section of this video. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables, hopefully potatoes also, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to consider doing so. If you do, make sure you hit the like button and the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. You can also share my videos. So remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow great amounts of food for yourself and your family. Until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.